Now you can't tell me that that doesn't look something special. Oh, that is superb. All the flavours of a Bakewell. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, the easiest Bakewell ever. Bakewell pudding. We're going to take the Bakewell tart, no pastry. We're making it a pudding. 5-minute prep, chuck it in the oven, serve it up. No excuse for anybody not to make a Bakewell. Come on, here we go. Plain flour, baking powder, sugar. We are making a pudding. Now you want your oven on about 170 for this. In there, almond, ground almond or almond flour, whatever you know it by. Ground almonds. Want a little bit of salt in there. If it come out, well, that much. We're going to give that a little one of those. That's our dry ingredients. See if we can just break up that ground almond in there. This is literally a 5-minute prep, okay? Egg, butter, butter, milk, butter. Oh, you idiot. That's when you're looking at ingredients and your mouth engages. A little bit almond extract. Get your almond extract in there. A little one of those. Now, we are making a batter. Okay, so, oh, I'm not messing. Get it all in. Stir it all in. We want a batter. If it's too thick, add a little bit more milk or a bit of water. It has to be pourable. This is borderline. I think by the time we've got it all stirred in here, it should be all right. We've got a batter there, look. We've got an 8x8 glass dish. Now we're taking a tin. I'm using strawberry. If you can find anything else like cherries or anything, you can make a cherry Bakewell. I'm making a strawberry Bakewell. Now, Bakewell tarts and things like that, traditionally were made with raspberry, okay? However, people change to strawberry. It doesn't matter what you use. You can use lemon curd. Up to you. Right, we want this pie filling in here. So the oven's on at 170 already. Take our batter and on there. Try and come round the sides first and then fill in the middle. That's going to hold that jam, that filling in there. And by the way, you can use a jar of jam. Entirely up to you. Oh, it's got that fantastic Bakewell smell in there. That almond. One of those. And in classic Bakewell style, on there, some almond flakes. And a little pinch of sugar, which is going to fill in through the gaps there, and we're going to end up with a lovely Bakewell. There we go, that's absolutely super. How long did that take? 5 minutes. There you go, I did tell you, 5-minute prep in the oven. Come on, let's get it baking. So we're whacking it in for about 35 minutes, 35 minutes. Okay, and when you've had your time, oh, look at that. On there. Look at that. That smells absolutely off the charts. That is, oh, incredible. It might sink in the middle, but hey, we don't worry about it, you know, it's a pudding. There you go. That's the easiest Bakewell you'll ever make. No pastry required. Just a massive dob of cream or ice cream. Oh. Right, we'll let it cool down and we're going to cut ourselves a slice. Any which way you want in there. How big do you want to go? Oh, yes, please. On there. Now, you can't tell me that that doesn't look something special. Oh, it's cakey. Look at this. Just look at how soft sponge that is. Come on. In here. Oh, yeah. Oh. That is ridiculously good. Oh, that is delightful. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, that is superb. All the flavours of a Bakewell. And you know me, we're on there. Oh, you gotta get that cream on there. Now we're talking. Oh, man. Now, the problem with one of these puddings, and it's a real warning, a real problem, it's so light that you just want to keep eating. It's that good. It's really light, it's really tasty. And obviously it all depends on the filling you use, how sweet it is. I ain't going to be able to stop eating. It is superb. Now this filling is an American filling actually, that you can buy, a pie filling. And it has the sourness of the strawberries in there. And obviously it's sweet because it's a pie filling. It's absolutely delicious. But you know, this can be made with jam. You can put jam in here. Go buy the cheapest jam you can find because it's going in a pudding. Unless you're posh and you want to use a real high expensive one. It ain't going to burn. We're cooking it low and slow. It's cooked at 170. It ain't going to burn the jam. Easy pudding. I hope you enjoy it. Share with your friends. And if you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. And I'm going to enjoy the easiest Bakewell ever. Oh yeah.